Somebody asked me a question yesterday about interrupting and how to ask questions in a way that comes off as curious and not like interrogating. If you've ever had that problem, let me tell you what I told them. And before I get to it, I'm not saying that this is the only way to handle it. I'm just giving you one pathway through, because oftentimes I feel that people, especially to ADHD people, they just tell them what they're doing wrong and they don't give them a pathway to something else. Oftentimes when somebody says something and I'm curious, it shows up in my body and my mind as a really big energy. Whoo! And if I let that energy out immediately, it often, one, it shows up too quickly as interruption, and two, shows up too intensely, and whatever thing they're trying to show me gets scared and hides away. Henry Nouwen has this quote about the soul being like a wild animal and you have to be like quiet and gentle with it. So context matters. There are contexts where this is less appropriate, but it works a lot. So oftentimes I'm finding ways to pump the brakes. I learned this in leading worship over the years and having a microphone. Oftentimes the microphone wasn't on or wasn't loud enough. So I would create these like small noises for me to check the connection, to check the microphone. And I'll do that in the conversation. So I'll go, even just some noise, some look up to the left, look up to the right, something to just pump the brakes and pause the conversation, to check my connection, to check that they're listening, to check all that. Once I know it's there, then I'll ask the question. But even then, I'll usually ask the first few words slowly. So you're saying like, how does that, see, I pause. How does that work with, like when you're on vacation? Whatever, I don't even know what topic we're talking about. Do you get what I'm saying? So, find a way to slow things down through a checkpoint, a speed bump, whatever you want to call it, and then check the connection through some kind of like slower moving words, and then ask your question, and typically in a how or what, not a why. Hey, if this is helpful, like and follow for more. I really love serving people and helping them connect better, because life's hard, but talking to people doesn't have to be.